Hey, what is going on, guys? This is Dead Stock Release, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S21. As we move closer to the launch of the Samsung Galaxy S21, we can expect to hear more about the flagship phone in these next several months. Due to the lower than expected sales of the Samsung Galaxy S20, sources are telling us that we can expect Samsung to release the Galaxy S21 a month earlier compared to previous years. This means we can expect to see the phone hit the market in the month of January or early February 2021. We can expect the price of the new Galaxy S21 be in the same ballpark with the previous model, with the price starting at $999 US. However, rumor is suggesting that the Galaxy S21 could cost more due to the new Snapdragon 875. Moving forward, we can expect the Galaxy S21 to look similar to the previous model with some slight changes such as dimension and rear camera bump. There is also speculation that the S21 could come with a newly blade bezel design. However, we may see that on the next Galaxy S22 and not on the S21. Recently, OnLeaks released a render image of what we can expect from the rear camera. Sources are claiming we could see a 5-camera setup. However, OnLeaks claims is suggesting a 4-camera with an extra sensor. In addition, recent rumors are stating we will see a 108 megapixel main camera lens and 2 telephoto lenses offering both 3x optical zoom and 10x periscope zoom. Well, that is all for today's video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you want to stay more updated with the Samsung S20, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, take care.